How to fix your Gmail offline mode not syncing in 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection, or try even restarting your router. If that is not the case, you can also try enabling the offline mode one more time. So all you need to do is simply go to your See All settings tab and then offline, and simply go ahead and turn it off and turn it on back again so that it does fix the problem. If it still doesn't, you want to go ahead and check your sync settings. This is generally in store emails from the last, and make sure that download attachments are also turned on. You need to make sure that you save change once you have changed it, and wait for the initial sync. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and clear cache and cookies off your browser and restart it. And always make sure that there is free storage. If you have any conflicting extensions, you want to simply go ahead and disable it. And all you need to do is try signing out and signing in one more time. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.